Hey, this is Sam Christoff, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Unity3D to start making your own video games. I'm going to go ahead and launch Chrome and browse to Unity3D.com. And from the main page you can see a big blue button that says Get Unity, and 2017.1 is the latest version, so I'm just going to click that. And here you can see the breakdown of the different versions of Unity: Personal, Plus, and Pro. Personal is free, Plus and Pro each have monthly subscriptions. The Personal Edition is a great way to get started. It'll have everything you need if you're just getting started out. The only limitations on it are that you are only allowed to make up to $100,000 off of it. So if you're making more than $100,000, you have to pay for a subscription, but I'd be quite happy to at that point. So other than that, Personal is going to be great to get started. So I'm going to click Try Personal and just agree that, yep, I'm making less than $100,000 on this, so not a problem, and I'll download the installer. I'll click to launch that, and Windows is going to ask if I want to install it, and yes, I do. And we'll just click through the defaults, accept the license agreement. Here are a bunch of additional options for things like sample projects. If you're building for different targets like iOS or Linux builds, Mac builds, things like that. Typically the default settings are fine. If you want, you can add all this stuff. It's just going to take some more disk space. If you're just getting started, default options will just be fine. I'm going to add the example project just so we have that as well. And then I'll click Next. And it's going to download to a temp location and install into Program Files Unity, and that is where I want to leave it. I'll hit Next, and then we'll start downloading and installing. So we'll see when that's done. All right, about 15 minutes later, we are done. So I'll leave this check to launch Unity and hit Finish. And just make sure that everything launches okay. And there we go. So next step is to create a Unity ID if you don't have one. If you do, just put in your username and password and log in. Go ahead and do that. It's telling me my serial number is invalid because I had a previous install and haven't updated my serial number, so you may not see this. I'm just going to go ahead and click Reactivate. Otherwise, you'll probably be taken right to this screen, and you can pick Unity Personal and hit Next. And then pick whichever license option applies to you and click Next. And then we're taken to the main screen where you can pick an existing project or start a new one, which we'll learn how to do in the next video. Thanks for watching.